If you can't reach the top shelf, ask for help.
Hola chicos, ¿cómo están? In this video, you will learn 10 useful phrases you will use in Spanish when you go to a supermarket in Spain or in Latin America. Guys, when you travel, when you go to Spain, Latin America, Dominican Republic, Colombia, Mexico, Argentina, Peru, Ecuador, etc., you need to eat. So you go to a supermarket and you don't need English. If the person at the supermarket don't speak English, you can speak to them in Spanish with these 10 useful expressions I'm going to teach you right now. So let's start with número 1. ¿Dónde están los carritos de compra? ¿Dónde están los carritos de compra? Where are the shopping carts? Where are the shopping carts? ¿Dónde están los carritos de compra? Número 2. ¿Tienen bolsas reutilizables? ¿Tienen bolsas reutilizables? Do you have reusable bags? Do you have reusable bags? Número 3. ¿Dónde puedo encontrar frutas frescas? ¿Dónde puedo encontrar frutas frescas? Where can I find fresh fruits? Where can I find fresh fruits? ¿Dónde puedo encontrar frutas frescas? 4. Número 4. Number 4. ¿Cuánto cuesta por kilo? ¿Cuánto cuesta por kilo? How much is it per kilo? How much is it per kilo? Muy bien. Número 5. But before going to number 5, just to remind you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video if you are learning something, and leave me a comment with phrases that you use at the supermarket or with the favorite phrase you learn in this video. And very important too, we have Spanish course for beginners that you can get. You can take your Spanish from zero, from scratch, to the next level to speak Spanish. All the Spanish you need for the level beginner is there. So I follow my book with videos that you will learn a lot. You will speak Spanish in 1 month if you follow my advice, the advice I give you in the course. I'll leave you the link for the course, and I also leave you with this link that I leave you here. Sorry, you will get 80% discount only because you are a subscriber to our channel. That's my present for you guys. Muy bien. Let's continue with número 5. Número 5. ¿Tienen productos sin gluten? ¿Tienen productos sin gluten? Do you have gluten-free products? Do you have gluten-free products? Muy bien. Número 6. Número 6. ¿Aceptan tarjeta de crédito? ¿Aceptan tarjetas de crédito? Do you accept credit cards? ¿Aceptan tarjeta de crédito? Número 7. Número 7. ¿Está en oferta? ¿Está en oferta? Is it on sale? Is it on sale? Está en oferta? Muy bien, perfecto. Número 8. Número 8. ¿Dónde están los productos de limpieza? ¿Dónde están los productos de limpieza? Where are the cleaning supplies? Where are the cleaning supplies? ¿Dónde están los productos de limpieza? Número 9. Número 9. Disculpe, ¿dónde está la caja? Disculpe, ¿dónde está la caja? Excuse me, where's the checkout? Excuse me, where's the checkout? Y número 10, chicos. We are there. Número 10. ¿Puedo ver el precio de este artículo? ¿Puedo ver el precio de este artículo? Can I see the price of this item? Can I see the price of this item? ¿Puedo ver el precio de este artículo? Muy bien. Buen trabajo. Very good job. Very good job. Muy buen trabajo, chicos. Learn these 10 expressions when you go to the supermarket. And please, for you it's free. Just subscribe to the channel. Just like the video and leave me a comment. For you it's free, but for me it's very helpful to grow our channel and to reach more people that want to learn Spanish. Also share this video with people that travel to Spain or Latin American country, so they will be happy to learn this expression. Let me just remind you that if you want to do, if you're in the level beginner and you want to do a full course, you want to speak Spanish in 1 month following my method, the method that I apply in that course, I have a course online with 24 video lessons. You can do 1 lesson every day, and the course covers all the content you need to complete the level beginner. So I will leave you the link in the video, in the description, if you want to start it. Muchas gracias, chicos. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Hasta luego. Chao.